let's talk about one of the things that people are not talking about. Something no one has ever done before. Exactly! We are going to talk about the coronavirus, or COVID-19. Depends as you like best to say it. What do we know about the coronavirus? Well, transmission occurs through the mouth and then through the air. This is the virus spread. I want to explain the reason for the confinement. Imagine these two situations. One, to the normal life, without closing the borders. The case of the big cube. The people can move freely all the time, making infections higher. The second case will be the small cubes, which represents countries. Being the local contagions, people cannot move and they are controlled, so that there is no overflow in hospitals. Since there are fewer infections, so it's better to stay home and not go outside. How it all started? Well, we have different opinions. For one part, the World Health Organization and China have a different opinion than the USA. USA says the virus was created by China in laboratories. The World Health Organization and China say the virus comes from the bat. Also, everyone agrees that it comes from a Chinese market. Also, China in certain things does not just tell the whole truth. To avoid contagion, it is recommended to use a mask, gloves, wash your hand often with disinfectant, water and soap. Where did it start and how is the situation now? In December, or earlier, the first cases of coronavirus began to be reported in China. For a month, China was the only country with many cases. At the same time, other countries near to China began to report cases. Then, in February, it began to reach Europe. The first country with high cases was Italy. Then, the second country, Spain. Now, the second country with the most cases in the world. Then France and Germany followed. At the same time that it's reborn in Italy, it did so towards Iran. At first, it started to grow in Italy and Iran. Also, Iran started to decline in cases quickly, not like Europe. In USA, they began to have many cases in March. Now, having 1,250,000 cases. Now, The new hot spots, countries for sure, are Russia, Turkey, and Brazil. The strong months for Russia and Turkey have been March and April. For Brazil, April. Oh, I completely forgot. UK too have had cases since February. With the coronavirus, some people have lost their jobs, causing the value of the euro, the dollar, well, come on, the money, to devalue, creating a possible new economical crisis, making people not have money to eat. What does this mean? Well, that rich people will be richer. And the poor people will be poorer. And we will have poorer than before. A big problem that has been observed for a long time and now stands out with the coronavirus is the fake news. Everywhere, the press, social networks, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc., creating an image of people who hate and insult each other. Because this is no information, and you are fighting for the wrong ideas. That right now they don't improve the situation. In the end, the monarchies, the social pyramid can be destabilized. Because where are the people in the pyramid? The politicians occupy it entirely. And come on top of that, they laugh of us. With this, they get a hard but a real thought. People don't care because our politics don't care. The image you show is how others act. And that's all. Thank you very much, and put a like and follow it.